getting ready for the Chinook McGawain proclamation. I'm going to invite Mary LaRonde and Roger Daywich. Chief Day, I guess you will not be going very far, and Chief Knott, you will come to do the prep work on the agenda item Chinook McGawain.
Okay, we're going to call on our newly acclaimed leaders to get us started. Okay.
Chiefs, citizens, I've been waiting for this minute for a long time. And the last 2 weeks has been very long. We have free speech. We have the right to vote. And we have our rights. This proclamation here, I beg each and every one of us, myself included, I hope we think of our citizens at home. This is for them. I don't write points down very often, but when I have to say them in English, I do. I don't have to in our language. Zinagan mego wapskim zinagan mego shopskanu nibna with Ottawa nashke go Toronto Queen's Park. Kinago nen bak takskagana miigwech webzinag nanude ejapskangak. Kinago nen chibigade nun was a madzing. Mena mandab zinagan skona kwek. Kaigi aben mapi ma drawing number skona kwek. Kaigi abe tajep sanoa kinwe kagema me. My wife's not here to dress me up. There are bills being passed that chart our life for all of us today and our kids in Ottawa and in Queen's Park as we stand here. As we stand here. How we're supposed to live. Nimne ching, Raja, we are Kinaganun do. Manda MRPH got dig. Nimande H got Ayawang. Mem Digna Jaganash, Nine. Odange buying Scotsganing, he's been Nishtabekwen Niwet taught. Namagego Ginue Kine Awing. He's been Gegut Shanat Sek Manat saying in dine. We just webne dort. Ninem nakwe. Ani shesheb saot benochiak. Where's what ben anatnen? Where's what bending we go? Where's what bending we go? We go take. Gimak. Schnabek. Ich bin gego goshich geing nongo. Where you go? Where you go? Tamuki tagaza enchbaing. Gain nin mandageni gema kin dan kiton nem. Kai den ma si we in stabe we bisham shit nin. Kiken dana mande we shebak. Anish gego gan jish gesso. Nekku ge nim nash mabuk dugmam na. Ekkush kit ton shashba. Mijasen no bachki gish ton kanden megon. Minangushin webzinagan enjetek. The MRP, matrimonial real property, in Schnabek, it is so crucial to our citizens. Our citizens. I know we as chiefs can fight and hold our ground as much as we can, but the majority of our citizens, as I said before, they're shy, and but then again, also they don't have money to fight for their rights. And if MRP, when it becomes law this November, I believe if we don't have this Chinook McGawain, a non-native male, Nine, if he marries into our community, And if any of us also, unfortunately, there does happen, there's separation, the division of assets, and who takes care of our kids in that broken family. With this Chinook Nagewin, we have to protect that house, that land, and our kids. Right now, if Ragnash should fight us, Ottawa will side with him. As your Deputy Grand Chief, I do not want any of our citizens to come to me and say, Deputy, you knew this was going to happen. How come you didn't do nothing? We've done all we can, I believe, right up to this minute when we read this proclamation. This gives us the authority to go in a courthouse or any setting to protect our kids and what we have. Adoptions, and again, and sige shakman kamago me benojinyak. Basic ushin the basic nisnabe pekwak nagan in shbats gay ushin den ja bei dog mamen aus yasi unjinda we in the skid nagmagaza we besatchinda. Now me ushin kuchingi kwesmek. Ni should have been nojinyak and shbad. Kamagazuk. Chigaming the king we nishog. Now no me gig back in the dim. Keep Kanage me, keep Kanage, Chinawetko, Rajas Moscow, Migado going to go off skiing. Nishkewe. Mena, Kishpin up the main man of Senegoskona quick. Kadash Kitona wing gas doing the Goskona quick with Gain Morse Mabin Schnabe, Nigain, Kagio don't mind the Kaibanda we share back with. Chinakida to there. Again, citizens, chiefs. Adoptions must stop. One of the, we have a representative here from Pequawkanagan. He just asked me a question outside. We've been trying to help with his matter on 2 kids. 2 of their kids within the last month that were almost taken to the United Kingdom, adopted out there. We couldn't intervene because everything was in place in court before the courts already. But now they're appealing because I guess we won that short little, as we stand here today, we won that short little time. But they're appealing. Again, if we adopt this today, we can't stop that. And so our representative from Pequawkanagan can go home tomorrow or Friday and tell his community, hey, we got the Chinook Nagewin, we have this, they can't do it. And we can take that to court on their behalf. We can do that. Then genge panemandan de kit after school shin ngo gino de bibzin shake. I've always said, and I've been very vocal on harvesting, and I'm glad our citizens are here listening to us. Why is it? And it's a reality. Me as Deputy Grand Chief, why can I hunt and fish anywhere I want and not get harassed? But each and every one of you that don't have a chief title, you get charged. That's not right. My right is your right, it's our right. It's very unfortunate that happens, but it happens. So that will address the harvesting issue, our proclamation. Work with our inter-treaty accord. I've tried it. I think it's working somewhat, but we got to strengthen it. And the only way that's going to get stronger is if we know how. Let's do it all. Because it's our citizens that hunt, that enjoy that. Not especially for us. Nagemanda ene nishna bering. Nanumegumna give a question me go. Manda nakid mang chinak nige and pambochiam. So manda zinagan. Anish manda ekedem gak in the question me go. Yaban go quick question man in affairs. Kishpen Just get doing about we can no more gang man is can no more gagam gong. Nishke we. Kai gabe wapshke da question magasi. One of the questions on our community engagement sessions on language, and it was very recently that I was asked a question about our proclamation. Deputy, if this is accepted, I have a question. Does that mean we still have to ask Indian Affairs if it's all right to teach our language in our school? We can't think like that anymore. And no, we don't have to ask Indian Affairs or any Shaganash. We shouldn't have to ever do that again. Ask them if we can teach our kids our language. This proclamation will do that for us. Swim dinner, sabeshik, kden chimishinda. Ejin sattama nangwa. We do kageok mandam sinagan nangwa. Shows, other shows, we get a ching, Gangi Kentina Edgabwig. Good oswe, Kenewe and ching, Gay Gagish to now with Senegal. Niskewe, Gainish is no gay ga. The next time that means shis, and Jigbak knitting Jajamba. Hey, Your Honor, gay ga gishtu na zinegar. Gainish is nowhere. Me and Jigbuk said ma, Jadap na meng mandab zinegar. Kishpen, we are punequed. Anish kishpen, Anish mandar, Anish, kino pune, Anish. Now what was said majenda? Kennewenching, swimdana shanksushinda. Begin nishnan. Mandab zinegan, Japshkozim got. Kennewenching, swimdana shankswe. Beanish, kish toy gagino, what should be make inch bike. Peters gish toy que, should be got them got go share. No strapskuzim got, you know they been make. No strapskuzim got. Me and Jerry got in Jip got thousand yamanda. Gadum nujim panendego. There, I understand, and I can, and probably will be corrected on my numbers here. There's 31 of us working on our Constitution. We don't know where the other 8 stand. I understand there's approximately 6 of us almost ready, almost finished. Almost is not good enough today for them kids to pick Waknagang. I believe if we take this proclamation today, that almost is gone. That's our law. I still now and again, when asked, and if I think I'm in the right place to do so, I go and speak and represent in court for families. And I do not want, I hope, to go in there and say, Your Honor, if he asks me if we have a constitution or what gives me the right or the strength or the authority, I said, we almost have one finished. Almost is not good enough. It's not good enough. It's not good enough for me. So, again, this is so crucial. I want to ask of you to give us that authority to have the blanket umbrella for all our 39 until we're ready. There is nothing wrong with giving the Anishinaabe Nation on behalf of our citizens to protect them. Because if 2 or 3 or 5 or 10, whatever today here oppose, I don't know what that says. Does that mean we're only going to go fight for 34? God, our mandate as leadership is the 39. Please, I beg you, let us not have a test case on behalf of one of our citizens. Don't let us go to court to fight for your house or your son's house or for your child or for the land that the Sauganash is fighting for within our community. It's going to happen if we do not take charge. And we can take charge today. We can take charge today. So with that, there's lots of things in there. Our whole life is in that. Sure, there will be ups and downs, maybe the mistakes, but we're here. We can call on each other, hopefully, to fix that. And come on, even if we have to come like this again to fix it, to make it better and stronger, let's do so. But each and every one of you and our citizens, you always say, we don't have to ask Sauganash anymore about anything. That's our life. That paper, that's my life. That's my 8 grandsons also. So with that, Chimi Gwech keeps in Doshik. I thank you for listening to me. Miigwech.